Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is Theorem 3. My dear student, today is our lecture number 17 of annual term. My dear students, today SW number 16 and today's CW will be your SW. So let us start our class. My dear students, today's theorem is theorem number 3. At first we read the questions. If the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. My dear students, notice here ABC is a triangle and DEF is a triangle. Its three sides, that means AB equal to DE, AC equal to DF and BC equal to CF. If this is happen, then we can say triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, and the theorem asks you to solve this. So my dear students, at first we write particular enunciation. Notice triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal to DE, AC equal to DF and BC equal to EF. It is required to prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now we write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Triangle DF, AB equal to DE, AC equal to DF and BC equal to EF. So it is required to prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. I hope you have understood. Now we shall prove this theorem. You write proof. My dear student, please notice this triangle ABC and this triangle DEF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, BC and EF be the largest side of these two triangles. So we write this. The two sides BC and EF respectively be the largest sides of the triangle triangle ABC and triangle DEF. I hope you have understood. That means BC is the largest side of ABC and EF is the largest side of the triangle DEF. Now we place the triangle ABC on the triangle DEF. So the point B must fall on the point E. The side BC must fall along the side EF. But the point A falls on the opposite point of D. Opposite point, that means D present above EF. So the point A placed on the point G. Let consider G be the new position of the point A. So we can say EBC equal to EF. As BC equal to EF, so C must falls on the point F. So GEF triangle be the new position of the triangle ABC. I repeat it. My dear students, we place this triangle in this triangle. As a result, the point B falls on the point E and the side BC falls on the side EF, but the point A falls on the opposite side of D. That means G be the new position of the point A. G be the new position of the point A. As BC equal to EF, so this C point must fall on the point F. So we can say GEF triangle be the new position of the triangle ABC. Now we write this. Place the triangle ABC on triangle DEF so that the point B falls on the point E and the side BC falls along the side EF, but the point A falls on the opposite side of the point D. Let G be the new position of the point A. So G be the new position of the point A. As BC equal to EF, so the point C must fall on the point F. I hope you have understood. Therefore, triangle GEF be the new position, triangle GEF be the new position of the triangle ABC. My dear students, now we consider these two triangles, this GEF and this triangle ABC. And in this triangle we notice GE equal to BA, FG equal to CA, and angle EGF equal to angle BAC. Now we write that in triangle GEF and triangle ABC, EG equal to BA, EG equal to BA, then FG equal to CA, and angle EGF equal to angle BAC. That means this angle and these angles are also equal. This side and this side equal, this side and this side equal. Now my dear students, we draw. That means we add the point D and G. As a result, this divides into two triangles. These are triangle DEG and triangle DFG. Now we consider DEG first. In triangle DEG, notice in triangle DEG, GE, EG equal to ED, right? EG equal to ED. My dear student, notice this triangle GED, in this triangle EG equal to ED, because these two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. As these two sides are equal, we can say that their opposite angles are must equal. That means opposite angle of EG equal to this EDG and opposite angle of ED equal to EGD. We have learned this in our theorem too. Now we write angle EDG equal to angle EGD. I give here equation number 1. My dear students, EDG triangle done. Then we shall consider the triangle DGF. Now, in triangle DGF, my dear students, in triangle DGF, we notice FG equal to FD, right? FG equal to FD. As FG equal to FD, so we can write FDG angle equal to FGD angle. That means this angle and this angle are equal. Now write FDG angle equal to FGD angle. This is equation number 2. Now we add these two equations. That means equation number 1 and equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. My dear students, if we add these two equations, then we add left side with left side and right side with right side. Okay. Now we go to next page. Here EDG plus FDG equal to EGD plus FGD. My dear students, now you notice EDG and FDG. If we add these two angles, then we get EDF, left hand side. On the other hand, if we add EGD angle and FGD angle, we get angle EGF. Now from this we can write angle EDF, and from this we can write angle EGD. But my dear students, we notice here angle EGF equal to BAC. So we can say EDF equal to angle BAC. Now if I write this in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal to DE, AC equal to DF, and included angle BAC equal to included angle EDF. As side equal and included angle also equal, so we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. My dear students, notice here in triangle GEF and triangle ABC, EGF equal to BAC. Okay. My dear students, this is EGD. Sorry, this will be EGF. My dear students, this angle will be EGF. Okay, as EGF equal to BAC, so we can say that EDF equal to BAC. My dear students, this is our today's theorem. It is lengthy, but it is so easy. My dear students, it is lengthy, but it is so easy. If you read this very carefully, then you can find then it is easier than any other theorem of this chapter. So you must learn this very carefully. And this is my today's lecture. If you have any queries or if you have any questions about my lectures, please make a phone call to me. My phone number is given on the board. My dear student, this is your SW also. This is your SW also. You must do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you have already know the importance of SW. Based on your SW, city marks, diary marks and SBM marks will be given. You must submit your SW in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM by your guardians or any other person. My dear students, your each SW carries 2.5 marks. So please do your SW regularly and submit it also regularly. And today's lecture is finished. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.